In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up defaults or templates for the proposal. Now, I'm doing this video a little bit different, but I'm going to show you the what and why first, and then I'll show you the how. And here's what I mean. This is a proposal in the Red Rhino estimating software right here that's completed. Now, this is just a sample example proposal. I'm going to scroll down here, and in the proposal, there's inclusions right here. There's exclusions, and there's qualifications. Now what those are, of course, is what's included in your price listed here, what's excluded, and you qualify your bid. Now qualification is something like all work to be performed during normal working hours. Now here's what I want to tell you. Some of these are already templates that are built out in Red Rhino. Okay, now I'm going to show you where to build out these templates. Okay, so I'm going to click the home button here, and this is where you would start from. Okay, so click home and then go down to company administration. Click on company administration down on the left hand side. An accordion menu will open. Now next you're going to go over on this side where it says estimate proposal setup. Now look at where it shows inclusions, exclusions. Okay, and I'm going to click on that now. Now when this screen opens, here, you can see there's two tabs at the top. It defaults opening on inclusions, and here's the tab also for exclusions. I'm just going to click on that right now. Okay, now I'm going to click back on inclusions. Okay, so now these are what we call templates. Okay, when you create a proposal, you'll see these templates listed in a proposal menu where you can just check boxes next to them and have them included in the proposal. So it saves a ton of time if you go ahead and build these out in advance, okay, the way you want them. Okay, now you can always edit them in a proposal, but what I mean to tell you is you want to add these so that they're there available for you in the proposal. Then you'll just check a box. Okay, so the way to add them here is to click the new button. You click the new button here. Now what a lot of people do is they already have inclusions on their former method of sending proposals. Maybe now you use a Word document to send a proposal out. Well, if you have statements that you say over and over again in your Word document proposals, you can come here and copy and paste them. Now my advice is to you is to keep it short and sweet. Okay, use a long list of inclusions instead of something with 1,000 characters. You can see right here the max is 1,000 characters. I would never type that many characters in for an inclusion or exclusion or qualification. You want to make it short and sweet and simple. But at this point you can type them in. Now this is just for example. Sometimes I put this on my proposal. Oh boy, I didn't spell anything right there, did I? Price includes the following. Let me start over. Price includes the following. Okay, and then when I save it, it becomes a part of the templates in here. Okay, price includes the following. It actually alphabetizes it when I save it. Now again, when I go back into the proposal menu, I can there'll be a checkbox next to this, and I can include it in the proposal. Okay, or what I could have done was, now I'm not going to do it right now, but you could click on new, and if you wanted to, you could actually copy and paste something to this box instead of typing it out. You can go to your Word document or wherever you have that stored, and you can paste it here and save it. Okay, so you don't have to type it. If you already have it typed somewhere, you can copy and paste. Now it works the same for inclusions, and it works the same for exclusions, okay? That which is excluded from your price. Now, we start you out again with a list of exclusions and inclusions. Now, here's something else I want to tell you. If these aren't valid for you, or you would never, I'm just saying it this way, you can clean up this list and delete the things that you would never use. So we start you out with a list of defaults here, or templates, but you could go delete them if you wanted to. Now, to delete these items, you would just click on the description. It's a link that opens up. You would simply click the edit button at the right, and then you would just click delete. And when you delete it, it removes it from the list, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go into these. I'm going to just click the back arrow button and get back to the list. Okay, so you can go in here and clean these up and make them say anything that you want. It's a huge time saver. Now I'm going to go back. This is inclusions and exclusions. I'm going to go back home, and I'm going to drill down again into company administration, but this time I'm going to select qualifications. And when I do, it'll open up the screen. Now, this is a list. We provide you with a pretty hefty list of qualifications. And again, you can edit these, you can add to the list, or you can delete the ones you wouldn't use and clean up this list, okay? This is a huge time saver for you later, because when you get these completed, you just go into the proposal, you'll open it up, you'll check the boxes and add them to your proposal. Makes it super fast, okay? So that's how you set up your inclusions, exclusions, and qualifications in Red Rhino software.